In trying to develop Mankayane Town Board, the board has already started infrastructural projects. This was revealed by the acting Clerk Mangaliso Sifundza during an interview with Swazi TV.
Mankayane Town Board is aiming to develop the town in order to attract investors who will open businesses, thus enabling job opportunities. According to the acting town clerk, Mangaliso Sifundza, the town has already embarked on various projects such as construction of roads around the town.
Kunema projects esiwendawo kwakha umgwaqo. Lesikholwa ukuthi le migwaqo lena ekupheleni kwayo kudawenda ukuthi banikati bema property lasedolobheni bakhona ukuthi bawathuthukise ukuze lithuthuke idolobha laseMankayane. Sifake nema street lights emasola kuzama ukuthi tindleko dabogesi njengoba setinyuke kangaka edolobheni kube tindleko cishe letiphansi. Sifake nje high mast lang 2 ku township yethu ase extension 2 kulomnyaka lona wetimali esikiwo kunalenye lesifuna kuyifaka la ku CBD. Sinedolobha laseMankayane sifisa ukuthi kube nale industrial park la khona sitawu khona ukuthi sibe maybe nema factory shells latawu khona ukuthi uqashwe bantu bedolobha ngoba siyaconza ukuthi intuthuko yedolobha isekuthenini kube nema economic activities laba khona.
Sifundza also mentioned that they are in the process of building an industrial park. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zotwa Dlamini with Ernest Mabaso in Mankayane.